Pliers come in handy for all sorts of household projects. Here are some tips so you know when to use them and which ones you want in your toolkit. Slipjoint pliers slide at the joint so you can adjust the width of the jaws to fit the fastener. This makes them a universal tool for almost any repair. Keep them handy for loosening and tightening fasteners, pulling nails out, or using them for extra grip. These adjustable pliers have offset jaws and give you a different angle, and the long handle gives you extra leverage. They're especially handy on plumbing projects or for loosening large nuts or bolts. Locking pliers, also known as vice grips, have adjustable jaws and a mechanism that clamps down to keep its grip. They're great for frozen bolts or when you need to keep one piece in place while cranking on another. The tapered shape of needle nose pliers make these great for tight spots or for making small bends in wire. A set of several sizes comes in handy for all kinds of repairs. Linemen's pliers have a cutting joint at the base of the gripping jaws. They're useful for gripping, twisting, and bending, and cutting wire or cable. Here's some more helpful advice about pliers. Make sure the jaws are flat on the surface and the handles are pinched together enough to give you a good grip. A spring-loaded handle is a nice feature that saves time. Plier teeth can mar the surface you're grabbing onto. Cover them with tape to protect the finish. You can use pliers on nuts and bolts in a pinch, but reach for the right size wrench instead of taking that shortcut. My suggestion is to pick up a micro set. It's great for hobbies, tangled necklaces, and all kinds of household repairs. For the tips, advice, and tools you need, visit your neighborhood Ace and find us online at acehardware.com.